So I'm going on a little friendly date with my friend. I don't know if I should wear this with the fashion over slippers or this dress right here. And it's dripping too. Oh my god. Okay, I feel like I'm gonna wear this dress. I'm confused. But I feel like I'm gonna wear this. Both of them could go with the slippers. But I feel like I'm gonna wear this dress. I choose this dress. And I'm going in with the white diamonds. The other one is finished too. The personal one is like done. So.
Oh yeah, that's good. I didn't even know that.
Jerk chicken. Wait. Thank you. Intimate. Oh, hi. Good afternoon. How are you? Good. How are you?
Oh, that's it. Not good. I want to get a female from very high maintenance. He's a Brooklyn. No, sir. That was a deal breaker. Yeah, you like that.
Been saying this. Work on myself.
Leave people picking me alone. I hear that. That's crazy. I'm gonna be too full. What was you gonna get? Well, you didn't say you want appetizer. What did it have? Oh, he said cheers. Oh, thanks. I tasted it wrong. Yeah, you tasted it wrong for real. Because you're a drinker, that's why.
I taste juice.
You don't taste no juice.
I do. It tastes like juice.
You don't taste it. I did it wrong. Maybe because my rum is probably up on top, but I taste it. Well, you need more rum then. Yeah, it's nice. I like the little, the light. Look at the bottles there. Oh, it's nice. There's one right there.
Waiter station.
Oh, there's a waiter. Oh, I said no. I'm using the rum is working right now. I don't know. What are you talking about?
That little bit. You took one sip. Alright, wait till
Can I understand? So me a lightweight. Alright.
Wait till you get some more. Get some more.
Oh. No, for real. What's on the stick? Alright guys, look at this. This is rum. Oh, okay. So we got the menu on the phone. Yeah, so I got the salmon. My friend, he got the jerk pork. Their upsell is $42, and it's not a lot. Like right here from Sugar Factory, Sugar Cane. What's a nice cup, right? Nice. I like this. Okay, this is coconut rum. Coconut is, this is they punch, and it's the bamboo walk punch. gosh. Mixture of coconut rum. Check out the inside. It's nice in here.
Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down.
Oh my god.
We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a go.
So I can't do it again. I'm done. Done. I can't do it again. No. It's hard to come back from that. Well, with me, I don't know about nobody else. I'm not a best friend, so whatever. I can be friendless or friendless, manless. I'm not settling with nobody. I'm not settling with nobody. No friendship, no relationship. So, whatever. Huh? Yeah. Okay, they're taking a while now. It's taking a while. No, we didn't order no appetizer. So we should have got the damn appetizer then. So damn long. Yeah, and I'm going to Summer Jam, so I can't go over there.
You going to Summer Jam?
Yeah, tomorrow. My friend that brought me to Barclays, I'm taking her. Yeah, so we're gonna turn up.
Good luck.
The ticket, we mean good luck. You went there before?
I've been there before.
It's good?
A lot of people.
Okay, the tickets I have is section 12, so. And it was
A lot of fighting.
oh gosh. There was a fight at the Barclays, who was some girl was fighting somebody at the Barclays. I was like, what's going on?
This concert coming out. People go
Oh my god, I hope they don't do nothing stupid. This is my first time.
oh, you in my seat, but nothing on my own. But security gotta come and don't keep
Yeah.
me
That's too much. That's when they want to know how to have fun. They always want to fight.
It's so obvious.
It's taking long. Should have had an appetizer the whole time.
Probably nasty.
Eh?
So it's probably nasty. They probably don't want to bring out real food.
Oh. Wait, because you're out of pork, right? They say they want chicken, not pork. Oh wow, look at it, it's right here. Thank you. Oh, you got plants in it.
I'm gonna bring you guys some jerk sauce, okay?
Thank you.
Any drinks? Good for now?
You good. Thank you.
But I look over and say, you gotta say something.
Ooh, that was good. So you ever been to Sugar cane? It's good, right? Oh my god. The oxtail is
Never had oxtail from there, but it was good.
the oxtail is busted. And they get enough, like enough. For $24.
Is it still the same price now?
Oh yeah, that's when I know they're making money.
Okay.
Yeah, it was a lot. This is my first time going there too. What can I do this? Nice. I thought it was spinach. You saw fancy. You went nothing for.
spicy already?
Yeah, the salmon. Is it dressed salmon? That's right.
Every time I eat salmon, it's always with sweet sauce on it.
Huh?
Every time I eat salmon, it's with some sweet sauce, never like burnt.
Oh. It's good. Also, someone very spicy. Woo.
I will drop it more alcohol.
I don't want that sauce.
Tamani got so tall.
Huh?
The tamani got so tall. Very spicy. You want to taste it?
Oh, look at me. It looks spicy.
It is spicy.
Fire. Back. Ooh, that's really good pork. Oh my god. Yeah, hold on. What? Yeah, good. Bad music. Bad music. What is this song?
Like it's too down south.
Right. Some like from there. I will make burger dessert. You watching YouTube? Yeah, I like that video. Why?
I'm in love with the pork. I want to chew out the pork.
more sweet. Salmon good. You gonna take it wrong?
Almost done.
You still not tasty? Okay, I drink that. Me taste this. Yo.
After I finish the second one, then
Nigga, I didn't feel sleepy, yo.
well, yeah, that's it. Good to know.
Oh my god. So.
Birthday tea. 2 times for birthday tea. 3 times for birthday
Oh, it's the same music at this point. It's the same music. Oh, somebody else said that. Oh, there's somebody's birthday. Somebody's birthday. I should have told them that, right? It is my birthday. Damn. I got a birthday cake. Oh, hold on. It's so cool. It's nice. They're making an outdoor thing. Let me see, babe. That was a good dinner. Thanks to my friend. You wanna be on my vlog or no? Cause I don't like how people be, you know. I have to make sure people wanna be on the vlog. Cause you know how people is. This is my friend. He took me for my late birthday dinner. The food ain't good, right? Yeah, yeah, of course.
yes, food was great.
Food was
full.
Food ain't good though, for real. I think it's a Haitian restaurant. I'm confused because on the reviews I see Jamaican and Haitian. So I don't know which one it is. I don't know which one.
It's Caribbean.
People on TikTok was arguing about it though.
Huh?
People on TikTok was arguing about it.
Why?
Saying it's a Haitian restaurant, it's not a Jamaican restaurant.
I mean, I wouldn't call it a fully Jamaican restaurant. I would say
It's mixed, right?
Caribbean restaurant.
Yeah, no, but
it
it
has
was,
a little bit of everything.
but they were saying it's Haitian, like full blown Haitian, not Jamaican.
Nah, it's not full blown Haitian.
I don't know. Whatever it is, the food tastes good.
Yes.
That he had jerk pork. That shit was spicy. That shit was so spicy, and the salmon was a little spicy too. And yeah, they play music, so that's a good vibe. All the time. But you don't like it better if they have hookah.
Oh, Jesus.
You like hookah?
You do them thing there?
No, I don't like hookah. I thought you like hookah.
Me? Yeah.
I don't really like them much. I tried it before, but I heard it's not good for you, so I stopped.
Not necessary.
Yeah, it's not good for you. But look at my outfit. Hot gal. Hot gal out the road. It's a liquor. It's a liquor. I'm stop. Yo, what do we? Right? It's the body for me. Now I have a little fupa. That's a little bit. That's a little one. I'll be trying. It's hard. Listen, I love food. Okay. It's, I love food, so the food gonna stay. It's either you take it or you leave it. You gotta take it or you leave it. Okay. Trying to get a summer body like Tiana Taylor, but it's not happening. So gotta leave it how it is. Right? Exactly. See, it's hard to go. I never went to the gym, you know. Never in my life went to the gym. I work out inside. Look a bit. I work out inside. No. Not lie. Me barely do anything. Do some squats, yeah. And
You have weights?
huh? No, I don't have no weights. Oh. Is that a job? It's not a job. That hurt me. What is wrong with this thing? It's not even. You're not even in there, but it's alright. But I want to get girl. I want to get toes. Yo. so every man say, what you not have?
I got a toy. Make sure you edit that part.
Yo. I used to work over there.
The school bus.
Yeah, I used to do that over there. When I used to live right there on Eggerman. It was so close.
You always
Would
walk.
go and walk. I work. I don't miss that though, cause honestly, I want you to do so much for a little bit of money. Like,
All the time.
yeah, no, I'm not doing that. Cocktail have some. The man that have some lyrics, yo. Sheesh.